What's up guys, EpicLords13 here, and today I'm gonna teach you now how to teach you what is a thumbnail in YouTube. So this is a YouTube tutorial. I'm still posting my video, the Minecraft, the sandbox. It's the part 2. So a thumbnail first, it's over here, the thumbnail. So here I have my own thumbnail. So first of all, a thumbnail is like example, you see that those videos in YouTube, this has a picture like this one, that. Yeah, so that's the thumbnail. So video thumbnails. Thumbnail selections will appear when the video has finished processing. So while you're uploading your video on YouTube, make already the thumbnail so it would look interesting. So please make your thumbnail interesting so people would be interested to watch your video. So that's why I make mine Minecraft, because a lot of people like Minecraft, so I made it Minecraft. You can't see it clear because it's small. So that's the thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching once again. This is just a short, extremely short film that I just make just for fun while I'm still waiting for 265 minutes. So yeah, I'm just posting this video after I post this video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my EpicLords13 channel and also my EpicLords13 channel. Please comment me what game you want me to play, and that's it. EpicLords13 is here and it's about to say goodbye. Goodbye.